Good morning students. This is your maths class. Today we will learn place value in 3-digit number. In the previous classes you have learned the place value of 2-digit number. In this class we have to learn place value in 3-digit number. So take out your book and write down date and quotation. Today's date is 24 August 2020 and the quotation is time is money. Student, the position of a digit in a number. The position of a digit. Digit means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the position of the digit in the number gives it a place value. Like here the number is 528. In the expanded form we have write like this. 5 hundreds 2 plus 2 tens means 20. 2 tens means 20 and 8. 8 ones, or we can say 8. 8 is on ones place, 2 is on tens place, 5 is on hundreds place. So this is the place value, the number of in which position. Okay, 5 is on 100, so we write like this also. 500. 20 means 2 tens. 2 tens. 1 10 makes a 10 and 2 tens make a 20. 2 tens means 20 or plus 8. Or we can write the place value like this. You have make a box like this and here we write a digit and here we write the place value. What is the place value of 5 in this number? Student, tell me. Yes, 500. 2 is on tens place, so we can write it 20. And 8 is on ones place, so we write 8 here. Like in this, Similarly, in 285, we write in expanded form like 2 hundreds, 8 tens and 5 ones. This is the expanded form, or we can say long form. And this is the short form. Okay, this is the short form. Again we make a box. Here we write the heading of digit. Here we write place value. Then we write our number. Our number is 285. And what is the place value of 2? 2 is on hundreds place. So the place value of 2 is 200. And what is the place value of 8? The place value of 8 is 80. And place value of 5 is 5. Again, we will practice in this box. Here are some numbers are given. Here the digits. In this column again the digits are given. In this column again the digits are given. The place value of 0 is always 0. Student, remember this thing. The place value of 0 is always 0. If the place value of tens number, tens digit, it is also 0. If it is the ones place, it is also 0. So the number is 308. Student, in this number, what is the place value of 3? So we write 300. What is the place value of 0? It is 0. It is because it is universal truth. The place value of 0 is always 0. So we write 0. Place value of 0 is 0. And 8. Place value of 8 is 8. 123. 123. So student, tell me the answer. What is the place value of 1 is? 1 is on hundreds place. So 100. If the question is asking what is the place value of 2? So 2 is on tens place. So we write 20 here. And what is the place value of 3 is? 3. Again 749. What is the place value of 9? 9 is the place value. 9 is at ones place, so its place value itself 9. And 4 40 because it is on tens place. And what is the place value of 7 is? 7 is on hundreds place. So its place value is 700. Like in this number, you have do it yourself. Okay. In this exercise, fill in 784. Student, for your help, you can write ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, it's give you a help to find out the place value, the digit in the tens place. So student, tell me, in this digit what number is on tens place? Yes, 8 is on tens place. So we write 8 here. The digit is in the hundreds place. And what is the digit on hundreds place? Yes, 7. 7 is on hundreds place. Similarly, in the next question, the place value of 4 is, the place value of 4 in 349. So student, for your help, you can write OTH. Okay. Now you can find out easily what is the place value of 4. Yes, it is on tens place. So how many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. 4 tens make 40. So on the place value of 4 is 40. And the place value of 3 is? Yes, 3 is the place of 100. So place value of 3 is 100. 300. Now these questions you have to do yourself.